Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious enchiladas easily. First, gather all your ingredients like tortillas, your choice of protein, and a flavorful sauce. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare your filling. Cook and season your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or beans, to your liking. This initial prep sets the stage for a smooth cooking process. Now it's time to assemble. To make your tortillas pliable and prevent cracking, warm them briefly in the microwave or a skillet. Next, dip each tortilla into your enchilada sauce. This adds flavor and keeps them from drying out. Then, spoon your delicious filling and a generous sprinkle of cheese down the center of each tortilla. Roll them up tightly and place them seam side down in your baking dish. Once all your enchiladas are neatly arranged in the baking dish, pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top. Don't forget to add a final, generous layer of shredded cheese. Now, place your dish into the preheated oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly golden. Let them cool for a few minutes before serving. To truly elevate your enchilada game, don't be afraid to experiment with different fillings. Try black beans, roasted vegetables, or even a mix of cheeses. Making your own enchilada sauce from scratch can also add a depth of flavor that's hard to beat. Remember, the best enchiladas are the ones you enjoy making and eating. For more great tips on managing your finances and other fantastic deals, be sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.